Greetings. It is March 30th, 5 to 4 in the afternoon, 2020. I've completed as much grout cleaning, getting the grouty bits off of the top of the tiles as I care to do today. There's still some bits and pieces, grouty bits as they say in Scotland. But I'm now I pulled all the thumbtacks and nails and tape off that were protecting the 4 drawings. Everyone's going to have a look, depending on when you watch it. Oh, well, same time as me. I'm seeing it in real time from my time, but I'm going to post this to YouTube and people can see it there. The sea monsters and the Martyrdom of Stephen Tyrone Johns, born 1969, murdered at the entryway of the U.S. Holocaust Memorial Museum in Washington, D.C. on June 10th, 2009. And there's the sea monster at lower left. The one at center right, we're getting a light reflection from the overhead lights. If it was sunnier, I'd not be able to do it without overhead lights, but not this afternoon. It's been raining. All right, I guess we'll start at the top. Right. Got some grout on the frame there to clean off. A little bit of tape there. All right. That's a drawing I did from a photo I saw on the photo archives in the website of the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. A Romani child from a photograph taken in the 1930s by someone whose name I forget, but it will be in the description text, who was photographing Romani and Sinti around Europe. The Romani and Sinti were Jewish Europeans who were systematically arrested and murdered en masse, hundreds of thousands. A drawing I did of a Jewish girl from a Warsaw ghetto photo, and the images on the left from color plates in the Colonimus Bible, which I have a book of I bought in Jerusalem. There's a drawing of there's a nail to take off on the frame there. Put grout to clean your tape. 4 Jewish children, kind of a partial view of that child's face, also drawn from Warsaw ghetto photo. And a drawing I did of U.S. federal police officer Stephen Tyrone Johns, who was murdered by a white American Christian terrorist, longtime Ku Klux Klan member and professional anti-Semite and Holocaust denier. May John's memory be blessed. And we'll leave it up to viewers to interpret what the sea monsters, metaphorically or allegorically, if you prefer, mean to them. The works in the Under the Wings series and the Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art series, of which this is 39, I use with tolerance education for children ages 4 and up, children younger and older, and adolescents, teenagers of all ranges, 12, 13 on through the upper teens, young adults and adults of all ages as well, in primary, elementary, comprehensive schools, middle schools, secondary, high schools, and so on, as well as some parochial schools, Christian, some Jewish synagogue schools, and so on. All right, I'll also recommend viewers go to the other Holocaust art in my website, scroll down to 2017 and look at the sea monsters and the sailing ship St. Louis 1939, the sea beasties and the sailing ship St. Louis 1939. There's also a lino cut called the Sea Demons. All right, now I'm going to climb up on this ladder and see if I can get an overview of the whole thing here without tripping. Okay, I think I can get that up. Holding my arm way, way, way up. All right. I'm gonna pat myself on the shoulder. Another job well done. And now it will be up to the viewers to decide. Give myself a thank you. Bardzo dobrze in Polish, very good. Muy bueno. I'm pleased with it, whether how everyone else reacts to it and responds and interprets, that's in the viewer's hands and thinking. All right.